While we walked through the process of saving documents in a previous video, we should take a moment to learn how to export individual layers, layer groups, and multiple versions of a file to different file formats and sizes. So just to review, if we select File and then Export and Export As, Photoshop is going to export all of the layers and layer groups in this document as a single file. Alright, let's cancel out of there, but let's say I want to export the logo as one file, as well as each of the individuals' small photographs and the Paris that are in the frame. Well, then I can select the logo group, which would select all of the layers within it, and then hold down the Ctrl key and select each one of these individual layers. And then instead of choosing the file menu, and I choose the layer menu and choose export as. Now we can see all of the individual documents that are going to be exported. I'll start with the logo, and certainly I want to save that as a PNG file because I want that transparency. These 4 layers, even though they are photographs, and typically we want to save our photographs as JPEGs, because I want that transparency around them, I'm going to leave that set as a PNG file. And then the Paris frame, well, that I want to save as a JPEG at high quality because it is a photograph. So I would get 6 different images if I exported the file right now. But sometimes you might also want multiple versions of the files, so you might want them all at full resolution. And then you might also want a version that is at maybe 50%. So in order to do this, we can click on the plus icon, and then we can choose what size we want the other versions. So I'll just make them half the size. This is a suffix that Photoshop is going to append to the file name so that you can quickly tell them apart. And then I'll choose to include my copyright and contact information, and then export all of these files. I'll make a new folder called Exported, create that folder and then open it, and Photoshop will export all of those individual documents. When I return to Bridge and open up the exported folder, we can see that I not only have the large but also the smaller file at half the size for each one of the layers or layer groups that I wanted to export. So whenever you need to share an entire document, feel free to use the file menu and choose export as. But when you want to export specific layers or layer groups within a document, select the desired layers or groups, and from the layers menu, choose export as. This is Saramvi channel, and you're watching my Photoshop Masterclass videos. If you're not professional in Photoshop, I suggest you that watch my videos from the first one, because I covered every small detail in this tutorial. But now, like this video if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe my channel so you make sure you never miss my daily videos. And comment me and ask me any question you had. Like always, I wish you the best and peace together.